have to see total brilliant moves in chess.com. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. All you have to do is to go to chess.com, and then here below you have to go to learn, and then under learn you can see options. Just choose insights, and then you will have some ideas about insights. Chess.com is happy to announce the launch of Insights, the new service for Diamond members. This new tool thoroughly analyzes your games and displays where your best performances are, as well as areas where you can make improvements. It's a very big advantage for you if you want to learn more or if you want to improve in playing chess.com. But of course, in order for you to totally enjoy this feature, you have to upgrade your plan to Diamond. Chess.com Insight is a brand new feature available to Diamond members that analyzes all of your games and provides you with data-driven insights about what it discovers. So all the information for you is right there, including your wins and loses, hanging pieces, accuracy, and even what time of day you win the most. So in order for you to avail this, you just have to tap this try plan, and you have to pay for that amount that you have to pay in order for you to get this feature. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next videos.